cost of home insurance is on the rise, and Floridians already pay more than anybody else in the country. Local 10's Amy Viteri is live to tell us why this trend isn't stopping anytime soon. Amy.
Well, as you know, Florida continues to be a difficult and now even more expensive place to get homeowners insurance. We've reported on several companies leaving the state while some others are no longer taking on new policies here. But as one analyst summed it up to us, when you have high climate risk combined with key man-made issues, you have a real problem.
I've been living here since 2011. Now I'm paying about 12 and change plus flood insurance, so it's about 13, 14.
That's $13,000 to $14,000. John Zepnick pays a year for homeowners insurance on his property in Hollywood.
Haven't made one claim, but again, I've got no choice because when you have a mortgage, it's mandated that you have to have insurance to cover it.
The major increases is about the insurance for the HOAs, and it just tripled this year.
Frank Beal owns 2 condos on Hollywood Beach and another on Florida's west coast in Cape Coral, where he saw damage from Hurricane Ian last year. Insurance rates on all of them are up.
I'd say probably $600 to $700 per unit. I don't know how some people can hang in there.
Florida homeowners are paying more on average for insurance than any other state in the country.
Mark Friedlander researches trends for the Insurance Information Institute. He says rates in the Sunshine State jumped roughly 40% in 2023, and it's not like they were a bargain to begin with.
The average home premium in Florida is about $6,000. That is nearly 4 times the U.S. average of $1,700.
Due to a perfect storm, he says, of severe weather threats and years of fraud and frivolous lawsuits against insurance companies, something the state legislature has addressed with reforms. Condo owners may have it worst of all, according to Friedlander, as rates have soared for associations to cover the buildings and property, plus coverage for within your own 4 walls.
We're seeing rates jump 2 to 5 times what they were 2 years ago.
And according to Friedlander, one of the big red flags that indicates just how much volatility there is in Florida's market is taking a look at Citizens, the government-backed insurer, which was supposed to be sort of a last resort for those who couldn't get insurance elsewhere. Well, they are by far the largest insurer in the state of Florida currently, and by year end, they are projected to have 1.7 million policies, which would be a new record. We're live in Hollywood. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.
All right, Amy, thank you.